Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another episode of Jersey Shore Beers and Brews Reviews. Got a couple good beers that we're going to be giving a shot today. It's excellent outside. Weather's finally broke, down around 80 degrees. It's beautiful, but it's always a good day to drink some beer and do some reviews, right? Anyway, today's beer is going to be from Kona Brewing. It's called Big Wave Golden Ale. Says, paddle into the easy drinking island refreshment with Big Wave. So smooth, it's like catching the crest of a breaking wave at Oahu's Makaha Beach and gliding all the way in the shore. Paradise is just a sip away. One life, right? This one comes in rather light at 4.4%, but hey, you know, we all need those session beers, right? Especially in the summertime. Give it a crack, give it a taste, find out what it's all about. Label on it's not too bad. It's a big wave, a couple guys on a kayak or tandem boat or whatever it is, you know, with the outriggers. Looks good, looks like it's filters. Pop that baby in here, get a head going. Nice white head, straw color. It's a lighter beer, a little darker than the other ones. You know, I might have some caramel 30 in there, caramel 10. Nice and clear. Wow, we got some apricots. We got some fruity tangerine, orange-ish going on in there. Smells really good. Citrus. Got some citrus. Hits you at the front a little bit, really light, easy drinking. Not a whole lot of taste to it. Not even a real malty taste going on. Just balanced, like through and through, like 100% balanced. But hey, it's 4.4%. You know, you can't have a whole lot of taste in that kind of stuff. But not a bad beer. You know, I definitely would do a session with it out on the deck when it's 85 degrees out, nice and sunny. Be pounding these babies down and be easy. That's for sure. We'll get you some pictures of the labels. Come up with a score on this thing. I'm gonna say, you know, it's kind of a standard beer, so it's gonna be a little bit lower, but it's a good beer. Like I said, I grabbed this thing off the shelf if I was drinking outside in summer recording, heat of the sun. I'd probably say going at like 7.2. 7.2. Don't be discouraged by the lower score. You know, it is what it is. But not a bad beer, not a bad beer at all. Alright? So look guys, have a great day. Be safe. We'll see you.